These plant-based crab cakes look and taste just like the real thing. Let's jump into this recipe. Peel, dice, and boil 1 russet potato on low for 20 minutes until soft. On a silicone mat or parchment paper, bake cannellini beans at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Roughly chop and set aside. Mash the potatoes in a 1/4 cup of water from the boiled potatoes and 1 tablespoon of miso. To this mixture, add your dried beans or crab and prepare your remaining liquid ingredients. 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon capers, whole or crushed. Stir to combine. Now you'll prepare your dry ingredients. 1/3 cup oats, 1/4 cup nutritional yeast, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter powder, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Grind these dry ingredients in a food processor. Incorporate the dry ingredients into the creamy base intermittently until all combined. In tablespoonfuls, scoop mixture onto a silicone mat or parchment paper and bake at 375 degrees for 15 to 17 minutes. You could also bake these in an air fryer at 350 degrees for 8 minutes. These should have a nice golden brown finish when they come out of the oven. And when they break open, they have a similar crab texture. Hope you enjoy these. Please subscribe for more videos. Have a wonderful day.